turn, baby.
Cotton candy. Ice cream.
What is taking so long?
Here comes the man. What are you doing? Put your arms up.
I'm presenting.
Your fastball would come in sooner or later.
Stay away from him.
Okay, I'm not here to cause trouble. Hurt anyone?
Just want to see my son.
Players in form who are scoring goals and comfortable in front of goal, and players who haven't played 5 or 6 games. Arch rivals. 2-0. Every players are a yard short. Every department are a yard short.
Please allow me to come with you.
You are right where I need you to be.
Yes, here we are. Gifts coming right up. We have spices, golden camels, and spoons, tiny spoons.
Sergeant.
It's over, Bob. Give up.
Oh, you know I can't do that, man.
You know where to run, Agent Stone. Just like Caracas.
Caracas would have worked if you trusted me, like.
So, when you're as strong as we are, accidents happen, things break, and sometimes They're the things that you love the most.
Listen, Porky. You be yourself sorry, Mr. Cobb. I promised it. Sup? This is Double D. You know what to do, fool. Why isn't anyone picking up their phones? How am I supposed to find it?